Hello class 8. I have already started your percentage chapter but have not completed yet. I have already done up to sum number 22. It is sum number 23. It is given that gunpowder is composed of 65% of nitrate, 20% of charcoal and 15% of sulfur. Find the quantity of each ingredient in a ton of gunpowder. 1 ton. That means in 1 ton the quantity of we have to find the quantity of nitrogen, quantity of charcoal and sulfur in 1 ton. I know sum number 23. I know 1 ton, 1 ton, this is equal to 100 kg. The amount of nitrogen, amount of nitrogen equal to 65 by 100 into 1000 kg. I get it in this way. In 100 kg we have 65 kg of nitrogen. In 1 kg we have 65 by 100 and in 1000 kg we have 65 by 100 into 1000 kg. In this process I will get this. Here I will get another things in the same way, but I will write in short form. The amount of nitrogen equal to 65 by 100 into 1000, that is equal to this is equal to 6550 kg. Similarly, we get the amount of charcoal equal to, this is 20%, that means 20% into 1000 kg, this is equal to this is equal to 200 kg. Okay, and third one is the amount of sulfur, this equal to 15% of 1000 kg, that is equal to 150 kg. That means the amount of nitrogen 650 kg, the amount of charcoal equal to 200 kg and the amount of sulfur equal to 150 kg. Okay. Next, sum number 24. Sum number 24. It is given that the price of coal rises by 25%. In a family wants to keep its expense for coal same, by what percent should it decrease its coal consumption? That means here it is given that the price of coal increases but the expense for coal is same. Okay. I will do, let the initial expenses on sugar was rupees 100. Initial expenses of sugar is 100. Now price of sugar, price of sugar rises 50%. So to buy the same amount of sugar, so to buy the same amount of sugar, sorry, this is coal, not sugar, this is coal. Amount of coal, same amount of, so to buy the same amount of coal, because here it is said that the amounts family uses same amount of coal when the price is increases. When the price increases, the family uses same amount of coal. They need to expense, therefore they need to expense equal to rupees 100 plus 25% of 100, that is equal to 125. 100 plus 25, this is equal to rupees 125. Okay, this is equal to 125. But they want to keep. They want to keep its expense same. So they have to cut rupees 25 in the expense in consumption cut rupees 25 in the expense to keep it rupees 100. To keep it rupees 100, it is given. So percentage decrease in consumption. Percentage decrease in consumption equal to 25 by 125 into 100. Okay, this is equal to 20%. It should decrease its sugar consumption by 20%. Okay, you must write the answer last. I am ending here.